guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Hi, I'm Amanda. I do lifestyle college videos here on my channel, so if you like those types of videos, please subscribe, join the family. I just love my platform and I can't wait for it to grow even bigger. So you know why I made this video. I'm gonna be opening the Ipsy October glam bag and see how it is. Basically, I did a lot of other Ipsy unboxings, so if you guys want to check that out, you can look at my Ipsy playlist. Yeah, let's get unboxing with the October Ipsy glam bag. This is currently the fit. Still my sneakers on, but so if you guys are new on my channel, it's not that big of a deal, but I just don't look at the Ipsy items I get. Like, even on the app, I just like scroll because I'm like, nope, I'm not seeing my items I'm getting. Literally, I'm gonna be surprised with you guys. That rhymes. So the October Ipsy bag looks like this. My sister really wants this bag, so I'm just gonna give this to her because it's not my favorite, but it is pretty cool. So it says "Your Magic" right here, and then it also has this like these little symbols here. I think it's really cute. Whenever you open this up, you always get a card. Why did I get so white there? Ooh, oh gosh, it shows what I got. Sorry if these are really short videos. Like, I love these types of videos. I love doing them every month, so I'm sorry if it's short. I just want to get to the point. So I first got mascara. I got a Bobbi Brown mascara. That's so cute. I don't have any Bobbi Brown products, so I'm so glad I got mascara from them. Give this an 8 out of 10. I don't know if I need mascara because I have a lot of mascara, but it's nice to have since it's, you know, travel size, and it's also from Bobbi Brown, which I already said don't have any things from them. So the next thing I pulled out, oh, Gimme Brow. I never got this. It's by Benefit. It's like one of those mini brands. Do you ever see those on TikTok? That's so funny. That is so tiny. I don't know what shade it is though. Oh, it said it on the top, but it's a warm golden blonde, so that's what I am. So that's perfect. It's so freaking cute. I love this, and I always wanted to try the Benefit eyebrow stuff. I don't do anything with my brows, but I need to. I just don't like to put on a lot of makeup, but I would rate this a 9 out of 10. I am so happy that I got something from Benefit with their eyebrow products. I'm excited. Currently, my 2 dogs are sitting up on my bed asleep. They are literally just passed out, so I don't know how I'm gonna even sleep. But first, I got this Radiant Glow highlighter from IBY Beauty. Never heard of the brand, but the packaging is really cute. It's like a rose gold highlighter. It's a little crumbly. It looks real gold, but when it gets in the light, it's like gold. I don't know how to explain it. Do you see that shift? I rate this a 7 out of 10 because I don't know if I'm gonna use it a lot, but it's very handy if I want to go out traveling or just need something just small that fits in my travel bag. So, but it's very cute. I love this like nude packaging. So the third item in my Ipsy bag is moisturizer and shine lotion. Ooh, I love this packaging. It looks like, I don't even know what it looks like. Water, like a waterfall. It has a hint of a smell. I just don't know what it smells like, but it's a lotion, hydration plus brilliant. This is so cute, and it's by r+co. You can never go wrong with having more moisturizer. Yeah, I love this. It's so freaking cute. I rate this an 8 out of 10. I don't know what the ingredients are. Yeah, I can't wait to try this out. I love moisturizers, so these videos go so fast, and I hate like just having only 5 items. But I don't want to upgrade though because I don't have the money for that. So the last thing is this, ooh, the Tarte Tinted Hydrator. This is so freaking mini. Look how cute this is. It's like a mini brand. Oh, but it's a tinted hydrator in light sand 225. I love the packaging on here. It's so cute, this lavender color. I don't know if I would necessarily use this, so I rate this a 5 out of 10 just because I don't know if I will go towards it for my makeup, but I'll have to give it a try because I never tried like a tinted moisturizer before, so I'm curious how this will work. So that concludes this October Ipsy unboxing for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Overall, I'm really impressed. I really like these. Like, they're like kind of like name brand product. 3 out of the 5 of them are, so I'm really happy about that. But yeah, if you want to see any more videos of my Ipsy unboxing, just go to my playlist, and also I'll link them all in the description bar below. Let me know what you guys got, or if you guys don't get Ipsy, let me know what your favorite is. I think mine, honestly, I'm really excited about this. Like, I really want to try this Benefit brow gel. If you aren't already, please subscribe to my channel and like this video because it helps me out so much. And I hope you guys have a fabulous day. God is good. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next Saturday with a new video. Bye guys.
Why am I so afraid just to say a hello? Hey. pick up the phone just to say what is up.